So now we have a look at the Unity interface. So in the left, you can see the hierarchy where all parts are located that are in the scene. And completely on the right is the inspector, where the properties of the selected object you can adjust. Then we have next to the hierarchy the scene view. This is the view you use to where you work on the where you place and arrange the objects. So, and the game view is the view you will later see in the WebGL or when you play the game. So how you add the scripts to, or why do you need to add scripts to the objects? We need to add scripts to the object to bring them alive so they can move or interact with us. So we open up the object, go to the inspector, and just drag and drop the script we wrote to the object. And how is the script? How is the structure of the script in Unity? So basically, in the beginning, we import the libraries. Then we have the class definition. We define the objects or the behavior for the object. Then there is the start function that is called at the beginning. Then we have the update function where it will be updated every frame, and it's for handling ongoing behavior. And basically every script is built after this pattern. And if you need other functions, you just add them to this. Our core scripts are mostly and most used and important script are the WebSocket translation and rotation script. The WebSocket script is basically to handle the communication between Unity and the other system parts. The translation script is to realize movements and linear movements. It just moves the object to a set location, so we give the coordinates and the object will move to this coordinate. The rotation script is for animating the rotating parts, and it's just we use a vector to animate it. Then we have the WebGL right here, and I will show you some. It's open on this PC. With the C button, you can lock and unlock the camera. So so right now we can move with the mouse the camera view, and with C we can lock it and unlock it again, or we just use the button. And with L we can show us the debug log, where all logs are shown, basically. And with L you can just remove them again. And if there are more, you can just scroll with the bar, so you can view all debug logs. And the red light right now shows us is an indicator to show us if we are connected with the WebGL, and it will change to green when it's connected. Yeah, that's it from my part.